Hello friends, welcome to Prodhat channel. In today's video, we will explain about best perfumes for men. Perfumes are a powerful and attractive way to express yourself. We all agree that one of our most vital senses is the smell. Women find men more desirable with perfume. Men seem more presentable and attractive with an excellent scented fragrance. Not only women, but a good scent can also be a game changer for that office trip, client party, trip, wedding, and other occasion. Perfumes are not only something to use for outfits, but it is also of emotional significance to a great extent. Your perfumes express your different moods and state of mind. You seem more convincing whether you are relaxing, casual, or in an authoritarian form of mind. Hence, it is essential to choose the best perfumes for men but confused with plenty of options that are available in the current market. To solve the puzzle, we have shortlisted the 10 best perfumes for men in India as well as for international. But before getting into the perfumes, we have to know about few terms like what is the top note, heart note, and base note. The top note fragrance is nothing but the smell that comes from the start of the first sprinkle and stays till the 15th minute approximately. The heart note fragrance is the fragrance that lasts for the next 20 minutes approximately. The base note fragrance is a fragrance that stays for the long term. Without any delay, we can directly jump into the products and their features, which will help you to pick the most suitable one for you. First, let's look at the 5 best perfumes available for men in India. The first and foremost product on the list is United Colors of Benetton United Dreams Aim High. The top note of this product is grapefruit, lemon, and citrus. The heart note of this product is mint, sage, and nutmeg. The base note of this product is wood and moss. The net quantity available is 100 milliliters. The stay is up to 6 hours. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The following second product in our suggestion list is the Wild Stone Ultra Sensual OD Parfum for Men. The top note of this product is lemon, basil, lavender, rosemary. The heart note of this product is coriander, cardamom, juniper. The base note of this product is dry umber, moss, patchouli. The net quantity available is 50 milliliters. This product has long-lasting stay. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The forthcoming product on the list is Titan Skin Verge Perfume. The top note of this product is lavender oil, lemon, and aromatic accord, rosemary, and basil oils. The heart note of this product is mahonia, geranium, and spearmint. The base note of this product is leather accord, patchouli, and oakmoss accord. The net quantity available is 100 milliliters. The stay is up to a whole day. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The fourth product on the list is Park Avenue Original OD Parfum for Men Harmony. The top note of this product is tangy and fresh. The heart note of this product is patchouli. The base note of this product is musk and vetiver. The net quantity available is 100 milliliters. The product has a long-lasting stay. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The final product in our bucket is Nautica Blue EDT Spray for Men. The top note of this product is lavender and umber. The heart note of this product is lemon rose and sage. The base note of this product is moss, umber, and musk. The net quantity available is 100 milliliters. The product has a long-lasting stay. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. Now we are towards the top 5 best perfumes available for international men. The first and foremost product on the list is Carolina Herrera Pride OD Toilet Spray for Men. The top note of this product is bergamot and grapefruit. The heart note of this product is frozen lavender and cardamom. The base note of this product is sage and red thyme. The net quantity available is 100 milliliters. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The following second product in our suggestion list is the Nautica Classic for Men. The top note of this product is aldehydes, lime, coriander, clay sage. The heart note of this product is cyclamen, jasmine, caraway, rose. The base note of this product is amber, patchouli, musk, oak moss. The net quantity available is 100 ml. The product has a long-lasting stay. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The forthcoming product on the list is Adidas Moves for Men. The top note of this product is apple, Italian parsley, peppermint, mandarin, and black peppercorn. The heart note of this product is cedarwood, musk, lavender, and jasmine. The base note of this product is sandalwood, maggot, oak, moss, and thyme. The net quantity available is 50 milliliters. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The fourth product on the list is Evian for Men EDP. The top note of this product is cardamom, cinnamon, grapefruit, and mandarin oranges. The heart note of this product is apple and rose. The base note of this product is leather, musk, and woody. The net quantity available is 95 milliliters. This product has a long-lasting stay. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The final product in our bucket is Polo Blues from Ralph Lauren for Men. The top note of this product is melon de Cavallon, lush watermelon, sliced cucumber, and tangerine. The heart note of this product is basil, geranium, clary sage absolute. The base note of this product is washed suede, velvety moss, umber, melon, patchouli. The net quantity available is 125 milliliters. This product has a long-lasting stay. To know more details about the pricing details of these products, visit the link given in the video description box. A good perfume can improvise your persona, attractiveness, and desire quotient. A good perfume can leave a long-lasting impression on others wherever you go. The good smell always gets complimented whether you are in the office, family get-together, friends night out, or date with your spouse. To know more details, check out our blog. The link is available in the video description box. Thank you for watching this video. Like,